How to use the Smart Snapping tool in Silhouette Studio. Step 1. The Smart Snapping feature is an alignment tool and is accessible from the Page Setup panel. Step 2. It helps you get the perfect placement of an object in relation to other objects in the media. Step 3. To use the Smart Snapping feature, go to the Page Setup panel and select the second tab. Step 4. If you've enabled the Smart Snapping feature, when you move a design around, a blue line will appear to help align designs with other objects. Step 5. Use the tolerance slider to adjust the sensitivity of the Smart Snapping tool. Step 6. To disable the Smart Snapping tool, simply uncheck the Enable Smart Snapping option. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com, or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.